Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you through how to add text-to-speech on TikTok. In order to learn how to do it, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by tapping open your TikTok application from the app drawer. Make sure you're logged into your TikTok account. Once you are logged in, go ahead and record a video on TikTok first. Tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen, which will take you to your camera screen. It's pretty easy to add a text-to-speech on any of your videos on TikTok, so simply go ahead and record a video by pressing the red circle. You can also go ahead and add in an existing video from a camera roll. To do so, tap on Upload from the camera page and select one of a video that you'd like to use. Once you've done that, tap on the next button in the bottom right corner. From your video preview, tap on the next button in the top right hand corner after you're done selecting the part of the video that you'd like to include. Once you're done, this is how it would look like. In order to add in a text-to-speech on this video, tap on the text icon at the bottom of the screen, type in your caption. From the keypad displayed on the screen, you can change the font of your caption by selecting from this area over here. Also, you can change the color of the text from the color menu. After you're done, this is how your caption would look like. Now, in order to add text-to-speech, tap on the text again. In the pop-up, tap text-to-speech. You should hear your text read aloud as you preview your video.
Let's eat.
After you're done, tap the
Let's
next
eat.
button at the bottom right. Go ahead and describe your video and tap on the post button at the bottom right corner and post your content like you normally do. That is how you'll be able to do the text-to-speech on your TikTok video. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.